What are you up to, Scotty?
Well, we're getting this one prepped and ready because we're going to re-gasket the entire engine. This is the one that's going in the 66 white Mustang. The original engine literally had holes in the cylinder walls. I mean, like rot holes. I've never, ever seen that a day in my life. Well, apparently the water here in California is kind of harsh on engines. And the gentleman that had it was using more water than antifreeze. So it just literally rotted the block out. Just forget it. So we were able to pick up an amazing, well taken care of used one from one of our vendors who's like, yeah, he goes, I got one just sitting up on the shelf. It's been completely redone. But it sat for a little bit, so as you can tell, we're gonna have to do some gasket work. Not a big deal. Customer's ready for it. So we're just kind of getting everything cleaned up, prepped, getting it ready to get the new parts on. Waiting on the boss to bring me the rest of the bolts so I can put it up on the stand and work on it a lot easier. Because I don't know about y'all, but I hate sitting on my ass on the ground doing this crap. So, but we're getting it there slowly but surely, and we'll make sure we're keep you guys updated with videos as soon as we can. But thank you guys. Have a good one and stay out of trouble.
Scotty, are you jacking off and Burnsy's watching?
Yep. Whoa. And you know what the funny part is? I'm getting paid to do it.
That's awesome. I never get paid to do anything around here.
Now we finally got the bolts in.
Yay, we can finally put this on the stand and I can reseal it quick.
Yep.
Which we started on, and then it's like, well, we don't have the right bolts, and I got the gaskets, and...
What a friggin' nightmare trying to get bolts, I swear to God.
Locally, yes, because nobody knows what the hell we need.
Well, it's not even just that. Nobody wants to do their damn job.
Well, that's typical. All right, so you guys are going to get that bolted up, and we'll go from there.
Sounds good.